Hello, I'm Isabel Blakemore, presenter and tech journalist at UC Today. We're only at the end of the first month of 2020 and already we've seen a huge amount of movement in the communication and collaboration landscape. Companies like RingCentral, Microsoft and Avaya are exploring new ideas, planning for a future where as-a-service selling is more common than ever. Elsewhere, customers, partners and resellers in the UC environment are planning their strategies for 2020, working hard to ensure that they get the most out of every investment. Bandwidth, the leading CPaaS provider, are this month's headline sponsor. Across January, we've covered all things about CPaaS, so be sure to check out our latest features and news stories by visiting our CPaaS category on the UC Today website. UC Summit 2020 is now officially open, offering incredible vendor discovery and educational opportunities to people around the world for 90 days. If you've been too busy climbing the top of our summit to read the latest news, here are some of our top stories. Leading tech maestro Microsoft has always been clear about the fact that it has plans on replacing the Skype for Business collaboration experience with Microsoft Teams. A little while ago in 2016, a customer on the Microsoft Teams community forum left a comment asking for Microsoft to consider integration between consumer Skype and the new Teams experience. At the end of 2019, Microsoft responded to this request, letting us know that Microsoft and Skype integration was already on the horizon. The Microsoft Teams roadmap has now been updated to confirm that Microsoft is officially working on this new solution. While it's always tricky to predict where a fast-moving environment like unified communications may take you, we learn from the trends that emerge in the market. For instance, recently the demand of the cloud-based and flexible communication strategies has been growing rapidly, both in the UK and around the world. That's something that leading communications provider RingCentral has considered when planning its 2020 go-to-market strategy. According to SVP of Operations for RingCentral, Curtis Peterson, UCaaS and other as-a-service solutions are likely to take the lead as we move into the new decade. Additionally, customers everywhere will be looking for more convenient, flexible and immediate digital experiences. CPaaS is one of the most exciting conversational points in communication landscape, with people from all backgrounds exploring the benefits of a solution that they can design to suit their individual needs. While there are a number of vendors getting involved with the CPaaS landscape today, Twilio is one of the major brands leading the way. Moshe Beauford, journalist at UC Today, spoke with Cy Levin-Levi, a CPaaS web RTC and machine learning expert based in Israel, to find out why Twilio is making so much progress in the current marketplace. Team collaboration apps are rapidly taking over as the most convenient hub for communication and networking in the digital landscape. Solutions like Slack, Microsoft Teams and RingCentral Glip provide today's users with a quick and easy way to share ideas and knowledge. However, it's often difficult for companies to determine what kind of collaboration app that they need. For instance, in a UC Today guest post, Commando Tech's Alexandra Arsic discusses the dangers associated with leaving a collaboration tool like Slack too quickly. She considers the benefits of the Slack service and how it compares to other market leaders. The workplace, as we know, is changing. Social collaboration has become the norm in an environment where people no longer spend as much time as they used to in the same office. Remote work and mobile employment mean that businesses of all sizes now rely on a variety of immersive opportunities to connect with their team members through the cloud. In 2019, consulting company ISG published a report into social collaboration in businesses and how it's evolving. The company revealed a number of useful insights into how today's team members connect and collaborate. At the same time, ISG found that Workplace by Facebook was one of the key tools leading the way to the future of social collaboration. Innovation is crucial in today's communication landscape, as the workplace and the way that people connect continues to evolve. Companies of all sizes are searching the unique ways to serve their customers through everything from AI to 5G. One of the market leaders in the communication space, TalkDesk, showed its commitment to transformative new ideas recently by successfully filing over 200 US patent applications in fewer than 100 days. The new patents covered the enterprise contact center delivered by TalkDesk, and more than half of them focused on the artificial intelligence capabilities in the contact center. The influx of new patent applications highlights TalkDesk's commitment to innovation, which the company claims is part of its DNA. Speaking of collaboration tools as the central hub of business communication, some companies are even looking for ways to build their entire comms environment around their central Teams applications. Solutions like Microsoft Business Voice for Teams can make these strategies easier and more accessible in the right circumstances. According to Attilio Licciardello, the general manager and co-founder of Mida Solutions, it may even be possible to unlock the full benefit of Microsoft Teams for call center environments too. Check out Attilio's guest post for an insight into how businesses can go beyond the basics of Microsoft Teams meetings. We've seen the rise of a lot of new technology in the unified communication space over the last couple of years. Vendors have begun to offer more flexibility in the form of as-a-service solutions. CPaaS has paved the way for exciting forms of communication personalisation. What's more, the rise of APIs has meant that companies of all shapes and sizes no longer have to settle for one-size-fits-all technology. Vonage, one of the market leaders in API technology, has an excellent insight into the API revolution. President of the API platform group for Vonage, Omar Javid, shared his thoughts with us this week on the rising popularity of APIs and why they are so valuable. Now that flexibility has become one of the underlying concerns of any business technology or communication purpose, it's no wonder that we see more interest in the cloud. In 2020, the cloud is likely to see even more growth as businesses discover simpler and more convenient ways to migrate their data, processes, and people into versatile, scalable landscapes. In a guest blog for UC Today, the CEO of NICE inContact, Paul Jarman, shared his thoughts on the reasons why businesses from all backgrounds should be thinking more seriously about the benefits of cloud-based contact centres. If you're a long-term fan of UC Today, then you might have been around when we first reviewed the sensational new Magic Leap entertainment headset in 2018. The headset was designed to be an exciting new opportunity for people to explore the wonderful world of AR. Unlike other headsets of its time, Magic Leap's product offered something sleek, lightweight, and easy to use. Unfortunately, despite excellent engineering, the product didn't get the attention it had hoped for the consumer market. But now in 2020, Magic Leap is planning on a different approach. The company has decided to pursue new opportunities in the business market, unlocking a brand new realm of spatial computing experiences. Which news stories were you most intrigued by in the last week? Follow our YouTube channel to get all of the latest video roundups and join in the conversation on our Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. Thanks for watching.